So in this particular tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can log in your Microsoft account. First of all, go to the Microsoft 365. You can write for Microsoft 365. Then in front of that, you can say login. Then once you write on the searching menu, then click enter, and you see Outlook login Microsoft 360 at the very first line. Click on it. Once you did that, and you see here you have to create account at the top. You will see it at the top right corner. You see sign in. Click in sign in. Enter your email address. So this is my email address, and then next. And the next step, what you have to do after inserting your email address and directly takes you to the next page. You can cancel this, and you can sign in another way. So you can use your password here. So you can sign in different ways. So send a code to Zedikas. All right. You need to create the outlook.com email address to continue. So next here. Now in this way, you are directly signed to the Microsoft account. You have already created, stay signed in. So have you skipped this? Yes. Then this is all about the way how you can create your Microsoft account. If you forget your password, you have a multiple options to turn back your account, your Microsoft account. You may forget your password and ask to send the email to verification code to your email address or any other means you can use. So in this way you can enter to your Microsoft account, and this is all about what I have done here, and this is my email address. No thanks. So this is the way I have created. Look at this is my previous document is here. When I come to my profile, this is my profile picture, and other things are already linked with my account. So in that way you can directly log in Microsoft account. Thank you. This is all about what I have for you. If you have any comment, any question regarding this one, you can ask me in the comment section below. God bless you. See you soon. Bye bye. See you at the top.